Zero Motorcycles released its 2018 models. While they don't look much different from the 2017s on the outside, except the gorgeous new silver paint, it's what's inside that counts. Like -10% longer range thanks to new battery chemistry on all ZF7.2 and ZF14.4 models. Zero is also offering quick charging, 6 times faster, thanks to the 6 kW charge tank accessory for S, Senior, DS, and DSR models. That torque, though. From Zero, all motorcycles with the compact and lighter weight ZF7.2 power pack offer 11% more rear-wheel torque to slingshot ahead of cars and fellow motorcyclists. New gearing and a higher maximum motor RPM deliver the improved performance without any reductions in top speed. In addition, Zero fine-tuned the powertrains of the ZF13.00S and Zero DS to deliver up to 30% more power and torque to amp up acceleration at highway speeds. I can't wait to see what kind of trouble I can get into on an S with 30% more torque. Even an FXS with only 11% more torque will be amazing. My 2013 FXS still delights me with every launch off the light. Plus firmware updates can now come through the already awesome Zero app. If you don't already know, the Zero phone app not only works as a supplemental dash, but also enables the rider to manage torque settings, regenerative braking, and top speed, as well as track battery use, of course.